Let's take a look at organizational considerations. Managers design formal structures to organize a company's resources. Organizing, the second function of management, is defined as the process of delegating and coordinating tasks and resources to achieve objectives. Here are some things to consider and questions to answer when organizing a company. The structure of the firm must align with the environment in which it operates. Overall, there are two major forms of organization that are more effective in different environments: stable and dynamic. Mechanistic organizations are bureaucratic, focusing on following procedures and rules through tight controls and having specialized jobs with decisions being made by top managers. Conversely, organic organizations are flexible, with minimum focus on procedures and rules, broadly defined jobs, and decisions made at lower levels. This model tends to work well in current trends of more dynamic environment. Although there are two forms, they're really on a continuum between being mechanistic and being organic. Many companies are organized somewhere between the two extremes, but can be more identified overall with one or the other. Companies develop strategies, and thus, companies' organizational structures must be designed to achieve specific strategic objectives. As organizations change strategy to align with the external environment, they tend to change their structure. With innovative growth strategies in a dynamic environment, organic structures tend to work well, whereas with a stability strategy in a stable environment, mechanistic structures tend to work well. Generally, the larger the firm, the more mechanistic it becomes, but highly innovative companies can be organic. But again, most companies are between these two extremes.